Hello students, welcome back. It's Mamta Nandrita here for English classes and today's topic is figures of speech. Figures of speech means alankar, the ornaments of literature or poetry. A figure of speech is departure from the ordinary form of expression to produce greater effect. It makes the words or the literature special, जिसे हम हिंदी में अलंकार या आभूषण बोलते हैं. So now we discuss first simile, comparison between two things on one common point, and the words for comparison are used as like. Example: the soul was like a star and dwelt apart. Now like word is used and soul and stars are compared. So here's simile. Next is metaphor. Metaphor means implied simile, where we just make the things like they are already exist, like that. Means comparison without the comparative words. Example: camel is a ship of desert. Now we compared camel with a ship, but exactly considered it. Next is personification. As the word indicates, the non-living beings are or ideas are treated as living beings, as death lays his icy hands on kings. So death is personified here. So personification figure of the speech is there. Next is oxymoron. Oxymoron means the contradictory ideas or qualities of something at once. Means of the same thing we discuss the quality of different notions. Like she accepted it as a kind cruelty of the surgeon's knife. So two different ideas, contradictory ideas are discussed here. So oxymoron figure of speech is here. Hyperbole, statement made emphatic by overstatement. Exaggeration is made means जनरल सी बातों को बहुत बढ़ा चढ़ाकर जब कहा जाता है, that is hyperbole. Why man, if the rivers were dry, I am able to fill it with tears. The river is considered to be filled with the tears. So here's hyperbole. Next is alliteration, the most useful or the used figure of speech in English. It is a repetition of letter or words of the same sound. Different type of repetition is there, like how high his honor holds his haughty head. H letter, and sometimes the same word is also repeats. Sometimes only the sound. In all the sentences there should be the alliteration figure of speech, means repetition of any kind. Onomatopoeia, the last one, where the sound to convey the sense of the discussed thing, as a murmuring whisper through the nunnery rain. Here's only the sound, as the bees murmur, etc. are the example of the onomatopoeia. Okay, rest in the next video. Thanks for watching me, subscribing me. Okay.